Mr. Jack. Good throw. Throwing your pine cone? Hi, mister. You gonna walk to me? There he goes. It's like he's been walking for years. Or just weeks. What'd you find? We're loving nature stuff. Yeah, what'd you find? Thanks. Oh. Did you find more stuff? Thanks, Leaves. Thank you. You go find more stuff? We got a little collection going. Thank you. I love you, kid. Can you give kisses? Kissy, kissy. Kissy, 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 kissy. Kissy, 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 kissy.